Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. Kia, AJ's feet will run because of you, his heart will beat because of you, his mind will be able to think because of you. You are his inspiration and his soul's fire. AJ, Kia's feet will dance because of you, her heart will beat because of you, and she'll love because of you. You are the magic of her days. You provide a safe place unlike she's ever known. You are amazed by her each and every day you rediscover her.
Kia has what I like to call a childlike sense of enthusiasm, which I mean that in the best possible way. I think as you grow and you have more responsibilities in your life, that kind of goes away. And Kia's light has never ever dimmed, ever.
Many of you do know, or don't know, that a long time ago, AJ lost his best friend and I lost my brother. And it should be him and not me standing up here for you, but he would have been happier than anyone else here to see you guys together, and he would have loved Kia.
For the first time, everyone, I present you Mr. and Mrs. Iovino.
Kia, you look beautiful. And we really are so excited to have you into our family and have another daughter.
I would like to tell you all, though, that from the first moment that we met AJ, Mary and I both thought, he's the one.